Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Kimberly and thank you so much for stopping by. Today's review is Tom Ford's Black Orchid Parfum. But before we get into the review, a couple things I would love for you to do for me. One is hit the subscribe button, then hit the bell to be notified when new videos come out, like, share the content, and in the comment section below, let me know your favorite fragrance. Let me know what you're rocking today. Like, what is your scent of the day? If you have a perfume or cologne you'd like for me to review, put it all in the comment section below. And the last thing I would like for you to do for me is stay until the end so you can see how I paired this cologne with different ensembles, okay? Now, last week I wore Tom Ford's Black Orchid Parfum. Beautiful bottle. It has that 1920s, 1930s architecture about it. Not only is it a beautiful bottle, but it smells divine. So what you get for the opening, you get the plum and you get the truffle, but you also get a little bit of the patchouli, which is in the base note. So let's spray it. Yes, I'm getting that plum, I'm getting the truffle, but I'm also getting a little bit of the patchouli coming out, just a hint of it. Now this is a floral scent, but it's not a light floral scent, it's a very dark, mysterious floral. Now, after 2 hours, when it dries down, it goes into Ylang-Ylang, rum, and black orchid. So that sticks around for about 2 hours, and then it goes into the base notes where you have the patchouli, you got the plum, you got the truffle, you're still smelling that. But what's really cool about this fragrance is that once it goes into the base notes, it even goes into other scents after that. That's what makes this cologne so unique, that it just goes through different stages, different hours until it fades away. And when it fades away, let's talk about the performance. We're looking at 10 to 12 hours for this fragrance. The projection, we're 6 feet, 3 hours, 6 feet. And as far as the sillage goes, what I would do is spray it on the wrist, do a nice little spray on the wrist, then just tap your wrist. Don't rub, just tap your wrist, and then spray it in the back of your neck. So as far as the sillage goes, when you walk out of the room, people will smell you. Now, this is a love-hate fragrance. You either like it or you don't. If you're looking for compliments, this is not a compliment grabber, okay? Again, love, hate. So when you walk out of the room or you're around people, they're either gonna say you smell really good or they're not gonna say anything. This fragrance is very powerful. So I would not wear it during the day in the office. I would wear this in the evening or date night in the fall or the winter because it is dark. It is heavy. So I would go with the fall and the winter because that's when it really smells good and will exude that powerful smell, that darkness, that mysterious, that sensual, that sexy. So all that together forms the Black Orchid Tom Ford. Now, Black Orchid Parfum is the third installment of the Black Orchid line. You have Eau de Toilette, you have Eau de Parfum, you have Parfum, and you have Lolique. Lolique is for females, and it is 40% concentration of the oil. Now, if you want to get it, you can get it from Harvey Nichols in London or Harrods. Runs you about $7.95 to $990. So if you really want it, you can get it from there. Now, this cologne is unisex, which is really cool because you and your partner can collab on your outfit and spray the cologne because it's going to smell different on her as it does on you. So what a way to step out at night on your date, looking fresh, smelling fly, and overall just being unique. That's what we want. We want to stand out. We want to be unique, right? Okay. Now, as far as paying for this, I got this for $200 at Macy's. I'm not going to tell you to search around to get a discount price because you're not going to get a better price. And again, you know, it's worth it if you like those notes. One thing I wouldn't do is I would not blind buy this cologne, even if you do like the notes, because it is different and it is unique. You need to go to the mall, you need to spray it, walk around the mall, get a feel for it, let it dry down before you buy it. I don't want you to be surprised, like, whoa, this is really strong. I don't know if I like this, and you paid $200 for it. So go check it out first. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you today. Do me a huge favor. In the comment section below, let me know if you have Black Orchid, if you have Eau de Toilette, Eau de Parfum. Let me know what you have. Let me know what you think. Did you do a blind buy? Were you disappointed? Are you happy? Have you received any compliments? Let me know in the comment section below. All right, ladies and gentlemen, until next time, stay cool, stay classy, and keep on killing it. Cheers.